fine-tuned McCulloch. Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at another custom-built McCulloch chainsaw. This is the gear drive. It has the 192 barrel in it. These were custom-built by McCulloch dealers back in the 70s. They were very durable, very fast cutting. This one features a 9/16 chisel bit chain and a 42-inch roller nose bar. These were made for one thing, for cutting timber, getting the timber on the ground. Timber cutters were paid by the thousand, how many thousand board feet they get on the ground, and these guys wanted the most high performance saw they could get. Take a quick look at it. Kill switch is right in the middle. Choke's on the right, and this has been upgraded. Back in the 70s they upgraded these with the HL carburetor, and that's a really dependable high performance carburetor. Manual oiler on the side here, left side. You can see how this cover here has been polished aluminum. That was always an indicator of a high performance chainsaw. Got that big wrap handlebar. There's the gearbox side. Large falling spike. And look at that starter. They custom built even the starter handles. They rubber ones would have a tendency to slip and go through the guy's hands. So they had these wooden ones built. Guarantee it wouldn't go through your hand. You get a good grip on that and you can start this high compression motor. Just a very nice vintage muscle saw. American made.